Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see watch history on Instagram or view your recently watched reels. So to do that, let's show you the steps. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account by heading over to your profile by tapping the lower right icon. And here, once you're here, just tap on the three lines icon on the top right. And here, scroll down and go to your activity in how you use Instagram section. From here, go to likes. And here you find all your reels that you have liked, reels, posts, and everything. So, as we want to filter out the reels, so tap on all content types drop down box. And here just check mark on the reels and uncheck others and tap on apply. And here goes all the reels that you have watched with your account. So yeah, this is how you can just watch it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.